I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a minimal, reliable setup so you can practice without friction. Pick one language like Python or JavaScript and learn core concepts: variables, control flow, functions. Once done, install a lightweight editor, Git, and the package manager. These tools let you run code and manage projects. Practice small exercises daily to build muscle memory and track progress with a simple to-do list. This immediate start gets you coding rather than procrastinating. Now you scale learning by building real things. Choose 3 focused projects that force different skills: a command line tool, a small web app, and an automation script. Make sure to use Git from day one and commit often so you can track changes and recover mistakes. Once you face bugs, learn to debug systematically and add simple tests. Reading documentation becomes a superpower. These middle steps solidify concepts and create portfolio pieces recruiters can actually evaluate. Finish by polishing and sharing your work so it matters. Publish repositories with clear README and deploy demos to show functionality. Once live, write short posts and join developer communities to get feedback and visibility. Make sure to apply for beginner roles or freelance gigs using concrete examples. If something goes wrong, isolate the failure, reduce to a minimal repro, search targeted terms. Then ask for help with code snippets. This troubleshooting habit saves hours and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.